How to use Zurich Home Insurance Switzerland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zurich Home Insurance is a trusted choice in Switzerland, but many homeowners make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing possessions. Regularly check that your sums insured reflect your home's current value, including renovations and valuable items. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Zurich policies include personal liability coverage, but lowering limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's property. Failing to update your policy is also costly. Renovations, moving, or buying valuable items can affect coverage. Not notifying Zurich may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss discounts. Zurich offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and maintain clear communication with your claims advisor. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Zurich Home Insurance Switzerland. Ensure coverage matches your home's current value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.